Derick Isham. I'm a fleet manager for a rental car company. I came in to have surgery on my left wrist with Dr. Santiago. I play hockey with Dr. Santiago, so it was a pretty easy decision to come see him here. I was comfortable with him, and I knew he would do the right thing for me. It was weird because at the beginning, my wrist would catch and I wouldn't be able to bend it back that far, and I could just kind of close my fist, do this, it would pop back out, and it didn't really hurt, but it would happen a lot. And then by Christmas, it was happening less frequently, but more painful. So that's when I finally was like, dude, we gotta do it. I can't live like that. Called the office, got an appointment, came in, met with him so he could kind of give me a diagnosis. And then from there, after I had the surgery, he actually called me the next morning to see how I was doing and if there was anything I needed. So it was a very easy process, and thankfully for me, it was best case. He got in, just did a little bit of a cleanup, did a hand therapy once a week, just to work on strength in the arm again, and I was back to playing in about 6 weeks. Still working on the recovery piece, but definitely a lot better to kind of get back into game action to strengthen again. I'm able to play hockey, I'm able to take shots again, I'm able to make passes. That was the stuff I struggled with at the beginning, was the strength to do those flick of the wrist motions. I'm able to do all those things now. I'm still, just a few months out from surgery, so I feel like I've made a lot of progress in being able to play again. Just the responsiveness and ease. If I do have any questions, I know he's a phone call or a text away, or I'll see him on Sunday when we have our next game, and we can go from there.